Yo, Trueno dropped, man. Trueno dropped yesterday and I didn't know. Nobody told me, nobody. Hey, but we here though. We here with this song, you know what I'm saying? What's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back for another video with your boy Mikey, man. So for today's video, we checking out Tiago. We're checking out Trueno, Randy, and Bizarrap Jungle video official, you feel me? So remember to check this out. If you're new to the channel, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you're watching this video from Argentina, man, spam the Argentine flags in the comment section, you feel me? And without further ado, let's check the song out, man. Let's get it. Bizarrap.
12 de la night, ready pa' salir con los tigres, you know it's true. Entro pa' la jungle cazando, fumando a fuego.
Reggaeton. Reggaeton. Bro, them reggaeton beats are so hard, man. Oh my god.
A fuego. Llegó el tigueraje 2002, no le baje. Tú estás loco, no hay cuarto para que se relaje. La pared de Argentina, un viaje. Azuquita, sazón y coraje. Calla, Tito, un empresario sin traje. Esto palomo no trae el mensaje. La party en Puerto Rico, un mami, yo puedo darte todo. Dime si o no, vamos a perdernos en la llano. Yo puedo darte todo. Dime si o no. Welcome to the jungle, mami, aquí llegó tu tigueraje. Llegamos a la selva, están las gatas salvajes. Siempre estamos en falla, mira que fácil me sale. Entramos muy elegantes, vestidos de traje. Con Trueno, mandando fuego. No nos compares que tú y yo no somos iguales. Estamos de Trueno, tóxico el veneno. Yes, explosivo, plomo, plomo de la disco, somos dueños. Soy una gárgola cuando salgo de noche. Y con los míos salgo a cazar. Si me ve de frente mejor evita el roce, por no volver a caminar. Mami, yo puedo darte todo. Dime si o no, y vamos a perderlo en la llanta. Puedo darte todo. Dime si o no, y vamos a perderlo en la llanta. Le saco a bailar como el tango. Me dejo la vida cantándolo. Voy a darte todo. Dime si o no, y vamos a perderlo en la llanta.
Yeah.
Ahí tenemos lo nuevo de Trueno junto a Randy, nota, loca. Bizarrap. Sonando fuerte en todas las emisoras. Salte del medio que te pasamos por encima con el matar.
Yeah. Hey, this guy is fire, man. Hey, Trueno never disappointed me, bro. Never disappointed, you know what I'm saying? Straight fire. And Bizarrap is something different for me. But anyway, man, that's it for today's video, man. That's it for Trueno, Randy, Bizarrap Jungle video official. Feel me? Let me know what your boys think. Drop a like if you like the video. Drop a dislike if you didn't like the video. And yeah, without further ado, I'll catch you guys in the next video. It's your boy Mikey. Peace.
something you change about the world?
What would I change? I'd make people not hate each other because of their religion, because of their nationality, because of any stupid reason. If we could abolish hatred, we live on this gorgeous planet. There's a character I wrote called the Silver Surfer, and I always had him making those kind of remarks, philosophical things about, he was from another world, and he said, why don't we realize we're on a planet that gives us everything, food, beautiful weather, sun, everything. Why don't we enjoy it? Why do we spend time fighting and hating each other?
Oh yeah, Maj. It's the one right here.
What it do? Sauce up on you too. You know I'm dripping, baby, and you dripping too. I know you love me, baby, and I love you too. I know you love me, baby, and I love you too. What it do? Sauce up on you too.